Hey guys, I'm going to introduce you to the team of Timber Mill Design today and show you all of their jobs and what they do right here. We're a family-owned business. Everybody's got their part. Let me show you what they do. Okay, this is Taylor. Taylor is our data clerk. She handles all of our tax prep. All of the little receipts, they got to go on here. That goes to the accountant. We pay our taxes. Don't mess up on your taxes. You're going to hate it if you did. So this is Taylor. This is my son, Adam. Adam handles all of the graphic design, all of our camera work, editing, everything techie, okay? And right now he's working on a cabinet, kitchen cabinet. We're going to be doing this in the near future. He's sketching it up. And if you call, you're wanting a job done, a custom job, he's the one that draws it all up. So this is my son, Adam. Back out in the shop, this is my wife, Mary. Mary designs everything at Timber Mill Design. Matter of fact, she's designing this mosaic. You'll see it in a future video coming up soon. This is my son, Tanner. He builds cabinets with me. When we're hanging cabinets, that's his job. He holds the cabinet. He's the muscle. Okay, guys. I'm Alan, I'm the builder. I'm the one that does the dirty work, keeps the sawdust in the beard. And you saw what the rest of my family does, what everybody does to get involved in the shop. If you got a big family, put them in there with you. They'll enjoy it, they'll have fun, and you get to work together as a family. If you liked what you saw, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up. And I want to introduce you to my favorite member running circles around me all the time. Come here, Daisy. Come here, baby. You want that? Look at that. Look at that. Till next time, let's build something.